Where are you going? Get 4. Bilis, let's go. Avi, come. Maybe they're still sleeping, huh? Is that we went and dropped off Tita Ellen's birthday, but since we're in the north side, gotta bundle up. Look how bundled up we are to go to this park. We love this park. Can't see my boys. It's so fun. Things we do for our kids. There they are, bundled up. Yeah, we love this park because it's empty in the morning and we get it to ourselves. Here's Elena playing over there. Whoa! Evelyn! Oh. Well, you follow them around, or you're standing majority of the time. I'm cold. No? Evelyn! No, 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 no. Lamig. Look at those cheeks. Say hi, Evelyn. I was gonna put some scarf on her, but she doesn't like anything covering her face, so only the half an hour here. We're going home. Just kidding. We are not going home yet. Kapan Tayla? I gotta go. That's her choice of snacks. So I purposely didn't go to bring their like proper snacks. I have oranges and water, but we are going to a drive-through and buying the exact same order the car in front of us. So we'll see if we have proper snacks today or not. We'll see. Can we have the exact order as the guy in front of us?
I'm sorry?
Can I have the exact order as the guy in front of us?
Let me double check first what's his order.
Okay. It's too busy.
Just this exact same order as the guy in front of you, right?
Yes.
Alright, this is proceed your second minute, please.
Okay, thank you. Hi.
What was your order? You were the one who wanted the person in front of you order? Alright, here's the chicken and the Coke.
Okay.
Alright, $9.65.
On MasterCard.
Alright, take care.
Thank you.
There's a 4 coffees.
No, it's a McChicken. With this.
Here's your Coke. Oh, are you doing a YouTube video?
We'll see, yeah.
That's awesome.
I just want to see what people are making up with this.
Yeah.
Buying what the first person in
What's
front
your
of
YouTube
us.
channel?
The Burrs.
Sorry?
The Burrs.
The Burrs? Perfect. I'll search it up.
Yeah, awesome. Yeah. glad it wasn't the coffee. What do you think, Lau? They're tired. Are you tired? Well, we know that it was McChicken and the burger, so we're waiting for a burger. But I don't think the McChicken sauce, McChicken is enough for the girls. So we'll probably go to KFC or something. Get some chicken pops or something. Right, La? Do you want a burger instead? Or fries? Chicken pops?
Fries.
Yeah. Burgers is not gonna cut it. Let's see what's in there, La. We're gonna go around.
Mama. I don't need some more.
They gave us pop. So we got some Coke. I'm gonna park really here before it's get in trouble. And figure out if we need to go to KFC. Parker. What's in there, La? Lots of napkins. Anong snacks ang meron dyan? In a park. What's in there, La? Can you check if kung may fries or anything? Can you check? It's a bag. At least it's a meal. It's not just coffee. I'm glad that the guy in front of it, like when I was paying, he told us that it was a meal, so I was able to say no, that it wasn't coffee that I ordered. Yes, we do have fries. We don't have to go to KFC. This is just a snack, by the way. And so, isn't that cute? Kamu natin, okay? So there you have it. That's our activity for today. Went to the park, gave some snacks. So that was a success. You like it, La? That's a fine adventure. I don't think I'd recommend it, but it was a success. Right, La? You like your fries? Yummy fries? See you next time. Bye, Burrs families.